Hey, this Martin this side. Do you want to chat with Excel files with zero internet and 100% privacy? So I built this tool using local AI models powered by Qwen 3, DoclingReader and Streamlit. No cloud, no API keys, just upload your file and ask anything. It's fast, private and fully GDPR safe. This project is inspired by Avi Chawla. Thanks for the great idea. Now it's time for live demo. If you like this demo, please follow my YouTube for more tutorials and share this with your AI loving friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.